after you install it, if you click on this red dot, it will show you around, for example, how you access the different part of the app. For example, if you click here, you can see the serial numbers, app settings in here, and then here for you to create a new form. Here we'll be listing all the forms you have. By default, it will create a one form for you. It's called product registrations. So you don't need to do anything. It's ready to go. Once you finish that, you click on the product registrations. Here it will show all the registration entries. But at the moment it doesn't have anything yet. In here, if you view on the front end, it will show you what it looked like on the front end, so customer can go to this page and do the registration. This form is created by default, so it doesn't have any styling. It will inherit the styling from the store. This is a test store, so everything is very minimal. And you also have some common fields, for example, product name, serial number, and purchase date. All this field is customizable, same as the things in here. The introductions in here is customizable. I'll show you around the admin. If you click on design, you can design the fields within the form. For example, in here, product name, serial number, and purchase date. As you can see in here, this is corresponding to this thing in here. You can add on a new field if you wanted to. For example, if you want to add on file, you say okay, upload receipt. So you can say that and then click save. Then go to refresh the front end. See, these fields in here allow you to open a new file and upload as a receipt. So if you go back to the form itself, click on the setting, it will allow you to do all kind of customization, change the settings. For example, this is introduction, this introductions in here, is the instructions in here. So you can do all sort of things in here. That's for the form itself. And then if you go to serial numbers, you can add on serial number either by adding new entries in here or upload CSV of it. So up to you. There's a documentation for that. App settings, this is just general setting for the app. For example, if you want to change them from email address or anything like that, it's all up to you. But here, just give you an overview of what the app look like after you install it. We don't have any registration yet, but we can go to the front end and pretend to be a customer. As I said before, this form in here will inherit the styling from the store itself, so it will look different, depends on your themes. Let's do that. Product name, for example, in here I can type on t-shirt. It will try to search all the products on the store. If it doesn't have that product, you can add in one in here, because some of the product might be offline, is not on the system yet. On the serial number in here, you can type in anything for now, because we haven't set up you only need a validated serial number to register. So that's okay in here. Purchase date, that can be anything. And then upload receipt, this is new field, we add that, and then we can put on something like select an image or anything like that, and then click product. Next we can go tell a bit about ourselves, tester. So we can select on a country. For example, country will be England, and then postcode 123 doesn't really matter. Mobile phone, yeah, and then select. This will do our registration for us. Then you can go to the admin to see that entry. For example, here's the intro itself. That's it for now. If you have any question or you can always click here, contact us.